Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix your touchpad if it's not working or there are no cursor that is showing in your ASUS laptop. All right, so first up, for the easy steps, you can go ahead and press, all right, on your keyboard here in your ASUS laptop, you can go ahead and hold function key simultaneously with F6, all right? If that doesn't work, go ahead and hold function key and then F7 or function key and then F8, okay? Now, if this option won't help, now just press tab to navigate to these applications and make sure to go to search bar and hit on enter to open it up. Now go ahead and type in touchpad, all right? You'll be able to see a touchpad option in here. Just to hit on enter for it to be opened, okay? Again, just press tab on your keyboard to navigate to the options. And once you reach the on and off option, you can just go ahead and hit on enter to turn it back on. Okay, that's basically how you do it. But I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.